Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. With me here today is my friend Vince Lowry. Now, Vince specializes in showing individuals how to get remote accounting jobs. Now, this can be a two-part interview. I'm going to interview him first, and he's going to interview me as well. So I cannot wait to do this. This is really, really great. So, Vince, can you please share a little bit about yourself and your story?
Sure thing, Bryce. Thank you very much for having me on this channel. It's wonderful being here. And a little bit about my story is that I was in accounting for 20 some years. I say was, I'm still in accounting, I'm still doing consulting. I majored in accounting in college, and I got a job right out of college here in Los Angeles, working in the entertainment industry. And I worked both in corporate and nonprofit. And I worked for different individuals in the entertainment industry. And then about 5 years ago, so I got into consulting and started doing the consulting route and had different clients, and that's what I'm doing today. And I also have a group and a YouTube channel where I help out accountants to help them with jobs and help them with skills and understanding what they need to do.
Awesome. Okay. Now, let me ask you this weird question. So, because you touched on significant pay cuts. Sometimes what happens is I'll get messages from people and in their other career, maybe they're in the upper echelon, maybe making six figures, but they want to kind of make that transition towards the accounting space as well. Would you recommend that they go and maybe work for free, or do you think that is there a way they can utilize that past experience from a different industry to try and get a moderately good job in the accounting space as well?
I think that the answer is both. I think that you can use your experience outside of accounting and get a job that's accounting related, so you can start getting the skills, but using your prior experience in a kind of a hybrid role. It's going to be a negotiation on your part with either that new employer or current employer that, hey, I want to do more of accounting and finance, but I want to use these skills that I have in my prior position. So that way that a pay cut probably isn't necessary. You can still continue to get roughly the same amount, but still get that new accounting experience. But sometimes you might have to it might be hard to negotiate, hey, I want to continue to do this prior experience, prior skills, and do accounting too. Sometimes you might have an employers that say, hey, listen, I just want an accountant. I just want somebody solely focused on this. So in that case, you do have to kind of do that brainstorming, saying, hey, do I really want to take this pay cut, or do I want to try to find somebody else who's a little more adaptive to their circumstances, to try to do that hybrid role?
Yeah, and okay, that makes a lot of sense. Awesome. And one last thing, for any of those who are watching that maybe are looking for some help, on that website, I actually created a free training that shows you step by step what my process was like to grow my accounting firm. Then also, what are the three key core elements you need in order to go grow your business to the six-figure level as well. So thanks so much, Vince. I appreciate your time.
Sure thing, Bryce. Thank you.
Excellent. And we'll talk to you guys soon.